Controller drift can be frustrating, but optimizing your settings can help improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to minimize controller drift in CS2. Step 1. Check controller calibration. Ensure your controller is properly calibrated. Most gaming systems have a calibration tool in the settings menu. Follow the on-screen instructions to calibrate your controller accurately. Step 2. Update firmware. Check for any firmware updates for your controller. Manufacturers often release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Visit the manufacturer's website or use their software to update your controller. Step 3. Adjust dead zone settings. In CS2, navigate to the controller settings and adjust the dead zone. Increasing the dead zone can help prevent unintended movements caused by drift. Experiment with different values to find the optimal setting for your playstyle. Step 4. Clean the controller. Dirt and debris can contribute to controller drift. Carefully clean the analog sticks and surrounding areas with a soft cloth. For deeper cleaning, use compressed air to remove dust from inside the controller. Step 5. Test and fine-tune. After making adjustments, test your controller in-game. Pay attention to how it responds and make further adjustments to the dead zone or sensitivity settings as needed. Fine-tuning these settings can lead to a more comfortable gaming experience. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize your controller and reduce drift, enhancing your gameplay in CS2. Happy gaming!